is the voice reveal. Yeah, my voice is probably dark. I'm just kidding. Here's my real voice. Hey guys, this is my real voice. I know I wasn't gonna do it until like 40 subscribers, but I think if I were to do it now, it would be my best bet. And so that way I won't have to edit my videos so often. And I can just like talk through them and do like voiceovers. So, yeah. I mean, it's not that I really care. I mean, it's not like it's a face reveal. I'm like exposing my face. It's not like exposing my face. Yeah, no. Face reveal when we hit, let's go, 700 subscribers, so quite a ways away. Yeah. I don't really know what to say. I am very nervous because I don't want to get hate on my voice. Don't be surprised if I start singing in this video. Singing reveal, I guess. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you were the storm to weather. So, before you go. Okay, yeah, there's that. Some fun facts about me. I am doing band and I play clarinet. I own 2 horses. I'm not gonna show them for privacy reasons. I might show them near future, soon, I guess. I don't know. Soon I'm doing a stable tour because, yeah. I have quite a bit of horses. This is my newest addition. His name is Utah. Yeah, I guess that's my voice reveal. Bye.